गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 9। बेटा कल की वीडियो में इन प्रीवियस वीडियो वी डिस्कस इन एक्सरसाइज 7.3 and we completed two questions. So today we discuss in question number 3rd, 4th and 5th, then exercise 7.3 we completed. Okay, then see students, in exercise 7 question number क्या है? Question number, but two triangles are given in this form. First is ABC, second is given PQ. It is a PM, it is a PM, but आपके पास में given क्या है? First you have need to notice that what is given. Correct. AB, BC and median AM of one triangle are respectively equal to side PQ. Means AB equal to क्या है? PQ. And BC equal to QR and AM equal to क्या है? This is given that we have need to prove that in first part we have need to prove that triangle ABM congruent क्या हो गया ट्राइंगल बेटा PQ। सेकंड पे बात करूं, ट्राइंगल ABC congruent to बेटा क्या प्रूव करना है PQ। these two condition we have need to prove। okay, then see students, and prove it। First we can take in first part what is the ABM. First we can take in triangle ABM and second कौन सा लिया? second is बेटा PQ। तो पहला टॉपिक क्या है? AB equal to PQ, it is बेटा given। second given है AM equal to PN, it is also given। and third topic we can write down BM equal to QN, और यहाँ पे रीजन क्या होगा? बिकॉज BC equal to QR है and बेटा PM and AM and PN are median। so you know that what is the median which can be divided based into equal parts। so in this question you see that all three corresponding sides are equal, so we can write down ABM congruent to क्या हो गया? PQN by which rule? Side side। if these are equal, so we can angle B equal to write down Q equation first by using the CP by CP। okay, then next, then after we can take in triangle ABC and second part ABC and we can take PQ। in ABC what is given? AB equal to given PQ, it is given। angle B equal to angle Q, just we can prove that from equation number first। and third, that is a BC equal to QR, it is so triangle ABC congruent to क्या? PQ by which rule? Side lines। अगर ये दोनों congruent हो गए so in this question we have need to prove that these two triangles are congruent, ABM and PQN and ABC and PQR। hence in this way we can prove this question। okay, so we discuss in question number, it's question number 4th। now we discuss in question number 4th पे देखिए, question number 4. Fourth question is given that BE and CF are two equal altitude of triangle ABC. Using RHS rule, prove that triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. Okay, yes. In triangle ABC, BE and CF are two equal altitude. Altitude means it makes 90 degree to its opposite sides. So in given, what is given? It is given that BE perpendicular to AC and CF perpendicular to A. And these are two equal altitudes, also B equal to CF. To prove, we have need to prove that it is an isosceles triangle, means we have need to prove that is an AB equal to AC. We have need to prove that AB equal to AC. Then see. For prove it, we have need to use RHS. Which rule बेटा? बेटा RHS हम लेते हैं तो समझना जरा. So first we can take in triangle BEC. Second we can take in triangle BFC. So first topic बेटा angle equal to angle F because each angle is बेटा 90. Next BC equal to BC because it is beटा common. And third is given BE equal to CF because it is given. So in these two triangles we see that one right angle and hypotenuse in one side be equal. So we can write down BEC congruent to क्या हो गया BFC by which rule? That is by RHS. By बेटा RHS. RHS से और congruent हो गए. अब congruent थे तो we can write out angle B equal to angle C equation first by CBC. So again we can take in triangle ABC angle B equal to angle C, so its opposite side also equal. So AB equal to AC. We can write down why this is AB equal to AC. We can write down opposite side of equal angle are. So opposite side of equal angle are बेटा क्या प्रूव करना था? AB equal to AC. Hence, this is a question number 4. Then we discuss in last question of this exercise. That is a question number 5. In this way, we can complete it exercise 7.3. Okay. So, and in next video, we enter in exercise 7.4. So this is last question of this exercise. That is a question number 5. See, what is the question number 5? ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to BC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC and prove that B equal to C. In triangle where AB equal to BC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC. First we have need to write down what is given. Given that AB equal to BC and AP perpendicular to BC. Then to prove angle P equal to क्या प्रूव करना है बेटा? angle C. So first we can take these two triangle. In triangle और बेटा ये भी गिवन है कि बाइसेक्टर है, तो बीपी इक्वल टू सीपी भी गिवन है, बिकॉज इन दिस क्वेश्चन गिवन एपी इज द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. व्हाट इज द बाइसेक्टर? बाइसेक्टर मीन्स just only AP perpendicular, not because. So see, we can use in triangle APB and triangle APC. Angle APB equal to angle APC because each angle is 90. AB equal to AC because it is common, and third beta AP equal to AP because it is beta AB equal to AC, it is beta given, and AP and AP, this side is a common, both triangle is equal. So right angle hypotenuse on one side, so both triangle APB congruent to APC by the RHS. By which rule? RHS. If these are congruent, so their corresponding parts are equal. So AB equal to, so angle B equal to angle C by CT. And in this way, we completed exercise 7.3. So in next video, we can discuss the next exercise, that is the 7.4. Before entering exercise 7.4, we explain some important theorem. By the help of these theorem, we can complete it exercise 7.4. Okay. So thank you so much. आज के लिए इतना ही. अदर नेक्स्ट